Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust with stretched resolution on AMD. First, open your AMD Radeon software. Navigate to the display settings. Here, you'll find options to create custom resolutions. This initial step is crucial for tailoring your visual experience in Rust, giving you a competitive edge. We'll walk through each setting to ensure a smooth setup. Now, let's configure the custom resolution. Enter your preferred horizontal and vertical pixel values, for example, 1720 by 1080. Ensure the refresh rate is set to your monitor's highest supported value, like 144 Hz. After inputting these details, save the new resolution. This custom setting will be the foundation for your stretched Rust gameplay, enhancing your field of view. With your custom resolution saved, launch Rust. Once in the game, go to the graphics settings. You should now see your custom resolution listed. Select it, then adjust the in-game aspect ratio to match your stretched display. This will apply the stretched effect, making player models appear wider and easier to spot. It's a simple change that can significantly impact your gameplay. To optimize your experience, try different custom resolutions to find what works best for you. Always keep your AMD graphics drivers updated for peak performance and stability. If you encounter issues, restart your game and computer. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your enhanced Rust gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.